Hello everyone, so if you want to set up a quick launch on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE using the double press of the power button or volume button, you are to open up your settings. Now in your settings you are to scroll down to your advanced features. Here they are, tap here. Now find your side button, and now for example we already have it now enabled, so double press. As you see, the switch is on. When it glows with blue color, it means it's on. It always means this way. And here we've got a setting of quick launch camera. However, let's choose something else. Let's press open app, and for example let's choose a calculator. So now when we're double pressing a side button, the calculator will open, and let's try it out. So locate our side button and press it twice. And as you see, it worked perfectly. Our calculator just opened. You can always change this setting in your settings, of course, right? So choose the application. Maybe you can leave it on a camera if you want to, of course. It sounds convenient when you double press and then open up the camera, right? But basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.